Hey everybody, it's Pam. Today's project is a book stack or a faux book stack bee-themed project. And instead of painting them, I'm going to Mod Podge some scrapbook paper onto these little pieces. I'm going to do a yellow and white stripe, a black and white gingham, and a yellow with white polka dots, kind of a distressed looking paper. And just to kind of make it a little different, jazz it up just a little bit. And so the first thing I want to do is put my Mod Podge on, and then I'm putting my scrapbook paper on, and then I'm going to put it over to the side and let it sit and let everything dry. And then once I do that, I will cut it all the excess off, and then I will use my little sander to sand it off and make sure my edges are all nice and neat. Sometimes using scrapbook paper will change the whole look of your project, and I think it's fun. And I love painting too, don't get me wrong, but when I'm able to use the scrapbook paper, I do, because I do enjoy it. Now, when you do this, it will cover up your words, but for a project like this, I don't really worry about that because there's only one way for your words to go and only one place for your words to go. So you'll have no problems getting it where each word is and where it needs to go. So not a problem at all. So once I get all this sanded and all my sides and edges look nice and neat, I'm going to use my black ink pad and my sponge dabber to go along the edges and distress or shade everything with black. Even I'm doing the black gingham, even though it doesn't really show up as prominent as on the yellow, I'm still doing it because it'll still look uniform all the way down. So that's why I'm still doing it. And now I've got to get all the words painted, and the two little bumblebees, got to get those painted. And some of the words I'm going to paint in sage mint to bring in the colors from the bee door hanger that I made the other day. I'm kind of sticking with this whole color vibe. So we're going to do the sage mint on these words. I'm going to use black, and I'm also going to use marigold to do the word humble. So, and then bee is going to be black, and then I'll do the two little bumblebees. I'll do those black. And then we'll let that dry, and then I end up shading on the edges of that as well, on the words, just to kind of keep it uniform. Since I did do shading on the little boards and all that, I just want to keep everything uniform and looking the same. So, but while that paint is drying, we're going to go ahead and put our pieces together on this here. It's like the platform where you build off of. And it kind of looks like a birthday cake, doesn't it? Yeah, it really does kind of look like a birthday cake. I just thought about that. When I'm looking at it on camera like that, I was like, oh, a birthday cake. So, and now we got our words, and I'm going to go ahead and start gluing these down. Now, B, I just left black. I didn't do any shading or anything on it. And then humble, you'll see I do a little bit of shading on my words, like I said. And now we're just going to put it all together. And at the end, I'll show you what it looks like. It turns out super cute. It's perfect for your tier trays or any other decor. If y'all have any questions about this, let me know. Just remember, this video is on my Pam's Wood Treasures business page. If you're not part of Pam's Wood Treasures painting group, it's free to join. It's a private group. Be sure to hop on over there and join, because you do get a discount code off of any wood pieces I have in my Etsy shop. So you'll definitely want to take advantage of that. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little project. As always, thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And if y'all have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment below or reach out, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I will see y'all in the next video. Have a good night, everybody.